Okay, so now as I told, the testicular lobule contains seminiferous tubule, and the seminiferous tubule is the structural and functional unit of testis. It is the structural and functional unit of testis. It is the structural and functional unit of testis. Then it is, if I will take one section of the testicular lobule, inside these are seminiferous, tubules lined by a layer of cuboidal epithelial cells. These are called germinal. These are called germinal epithelium. These are called germinal epithelium. And these germinal epithelial cells, by the process of spermatogenesis, you can write the germinal epithelium undergo spermatogenesis to produce male gamete or spore. माने इस जर्मिनाल एपिथेलियम रु तुमरो स्पर्मटा तैयारी हबो. Then in between these some large cells are like this, some few very large pyramidal cells are there. These are large pyramidal cells, and these cells सबुथिरे थिबो, माने एथिरे भी थिबो, सबुथिरे थिबो, all that contain 3 to 4 these large pyramidal cells, and these cells are called Sertoli cells or sustentacular cells. These next you can write, some cells are large pyramidal with prominent nucleus and dense cytoplasm called Sertoli cells or sustentacular cells, Sertoli cells or sustentacular cells. कामो कौन? These cells nourishes, এটা बहुत important point, nourishes the developing sperm. तामाने जो स्पर्म रो डेवलपमेंट होची, दे स्पर्म रो डेवलपमेंट बेले से खाइबो कोन? तेणु से स्पर्म गुड़ा सब दे बरीड देयर हेड इनसाइड द सर्टोली सेल. सपोज एगुड़ा सब स्पर्म से सब ताको मुंड आ भितर एमती गुंजी देते खाऊे ता भितर खाई बड़ हे ना एगुड़ाक सब आ भितर एमती खाऊे से नरिशेस बहुत इंपोर्टेंट द सर्टोली सेल्स nourishes the developing sperms. Is that clear? Then another interesting thing, there is presence of some cells outside this seminiferous tubule. You see, these cells are called interstitial cell. Interstitial cell or Leydig cell. Leydig जने साइंटिस्ट ताको डिस्कवर करथिले सेइतमै तांको नाम अनुसार एटा दिया है Leydig cells. हला नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, some cells located in between the seminiferous tubule called interstitial cells or Leydig cells. And these Leydig cells, next point you write, these cells means which cells? These cells means these interstitial cells. These cells are endocrine in nature and produce steroid hormone called a group of steroid hormone produce a group of steroid hormone called androgen. माने गुड़ाए स्टीरॉयड हार्मोन ता भीतर तैयारी हेबो सबु हार्मोन गुडा को गोटे एंड्रोजेन. एंड्रो मीन्स मेलनेस, जेन मीन्स जेनरेटर माने मेल जेनरेटर जहाँ पाई तुम माने निजको मेल बोली कहूछ. दिस इज ड्यू टू द ग्रुप ऑफ हार्मोन दैट इज कॉल्ड एंड्रोजेन. ता भीतर जिते एंड्रोजेन अच्छे ता भीतर मुख्य होची सबुठ बेसी मात्रा रे के थाए ना the principal androgen is testosterone. The principal androgen is testosterone. Then testosterone is called the male sex hormone. Testosterone is called the male sex hormone. Testosterone is called the male sex hormone. It is called the male sex hormone. Means these not only maintain our sex organ but also develop our secondary sexual character in male. You know, secondary sexual character, your cracked voice and your masculine body, the hairs in your face and body in comparison to female. These are the secondary sexual characters, and that all secondary sexual characters are due to testosterone. Now it is about your testis, seminiferous tubules, and two important cell. One is Sertoli cell, another is interstitial cell. Now we are coming to our duct system. बर्तमान आम आसवा कौटी की ना द डक्ट सिस्टम को आसवा. Clear? So now the duct system or accessory ducts रे ऑलरेडी मु डायग्राम रे कर देथिली आउ थर भी तुमको टिके रिकॉल करे देबी गोटे पर गोटे लिखिबी प्लस कहिबी. सो नाउ accessory ducts रे कौन कौन आसबे मु ऑलरेडी लिखि देथिली. सो नाउ विल डिस्कस वन बाय वन. each seminiferous tubule comes out of testicular lobule by a small straight duct called tubuli recti. एटा जो डायग्राम टा मुझे करती मन पका एटा कौन these are trabeculae and these are testicular lobules, and inside these testicular lobules these are seminiferous tubules, and this seminiferous tubule comes out of the testicular lobules by means of the tubuli recti. This one is tubuli recti. Now tubuli recti, where it opens? Tubuli recti opens into an open spongy space called recti testis. Now this spongy space to which all the tubuli recti open, this one is recti testis. Now the sperms are produced inside the seminiferous tubule, and from the seminiferous tubule the sperms are expelled into the tubuli recti and into the recti testis. Then from the recti testis it comes out of the testis by means of number of pair of slender ducts. This is 8 to 12 ducts like this comes out. This is called your vasa efferentia. You see, from the recti testis the sperms are expelled. The sperms are expelled. The sperms are expelled. The sperms are expelled out of testis by 8 to 10 slender ducts called vasa efferentia. से जो डक्ट गुड़ाक है. So vasa efferentia leaves the testis. Vasa efferentia leaves the testis and enters into epididymis. ताने एटा बर्तमान एटू बाहर की बर्तमान ये जो कॉइल्ड डक्ट को आसीबो, दिस इज हाईली कॉइल्ड डक्ट. दिस इज कॉल्ड epididymis. So now we will see about epididymis. Now you will see epididymis. So what are the main points regarding epididymis? Epididymis. Epididymis. It is a comma-shaped structure. এটা কিমি দেখাও এটা কমা ভলিয়া দেখাউছে কমা ভলিয়া it is a comma shaped structure made of internal duct covered by connective tissue. Covered by connective tissue. Hello. It has three knot माने गंठी भलिया हेउथो गंठी भलिया. It has three knot like structure called caput, corpus, coda. It is a head which is present in the anterior end of the testis. It is a body, it is present in the middle. Then coda, tail, it is present towards the posterior end. So this is caput, this is corpus, this is coda. These are the three knot-like structure of the epididymis. So now the internally it is made of a convoluted tube about 4 to 5 meters length. माने 4 ରୁ 5 मीटर पर्यंत लंबा गोटे ट्यूब एटा एमती कॉइल है तीनटा नॉट लाइक स्ट्रक्चर करछि. So this is 3 knot like structure that is made of epididymis. The sperm ta kon habo when the sperm is released from here to epididymis, the sperm will reside inside the epidermis for a period of time to attain its motility. माने तार जो movement रो ability, that ability to move, that will be gained inside this epididymis. Means the sperm reside inside the epididymis for a long period of time, for not long, for a period of time for its maturity and ability to move, that will be gained inside the epididymis. So the sperm, if it is not expelled from time to time, it must be expelled to the vas deferens. Here another duct that comes to outside into the abdominal cavity. This is called vas deferens. So this from epididymis, the sperm now comes to the vas deferens. So if it is not expelled from time to time, then it will be degenerated inside the epididymis. तार गोटे टाइम पीरियड अच्छी से टाइम पीरियड भीतर जदि ये एक्सपेल नहला ताले से ता भितर डिजेनेरेटेड है तापरे नेक्स्ट पार्ट इज भास डिफरेंस और डक्टस डिफरेंस कोटा ना दिस पार्ट इज कॉल्ड भितर गला एटा बर्तमान बॉडी कैविटी एटा हला तमरो एटा हला स्क्रोटम इमिति एटा स्क्रोटम एटा हला इंगुइनल कैनाल एटा भितर को जो जाउची एटा गोटे आउ गोटे ग्लैंड एटी सेमिनल वेसिकल अछि एटा सेमिनल वेसिकल रु इमिति से रिसीव करिवो एटा हला भास डिफरेंस एटा हला कोन सेमिनल वेसिकल एटा होची डक्ट ऑफ सेमिनल वेसिकल एटा मिसिकी दीटा एटा कोन हेजो एटा हेजो इजाकुलेटरी duct. So now we will see about vas deferens or ductus deferens. এটা কোড বারলা now when the sperm leaves the sperm टा जतले एपिडिडर्मिस बाहर छि कोठी एंटर करिवो the sperm leaves the coda epididymis enters into कोठी पसिबो sperm टा एटू आसिकी जाइए एटू तर बाहर एटा कोडा कोडारू कोटी बाहर भास डिफरेंस को कोडा एपिडिडर्मिस एंटर्स इनटू another duct called vas deferens. Another duct vas deferens or ductus deferens. Vas deferens or ductus deferens. Clear? It is a thick walled tube. It is a thick muscular wall ascend माने ऊपर को उठुची ascent into the abdominal cavity through inguinal canal. देखो एसेंट्स माने ऊपर उठिबा माने एठू ए डॉक्टा एमती उठी उठी ऊपर उठी जाइके ए इंगुइनल कैनाल दे कि पुणी बॉडी कैविटी भीतर पळेला एब्डोमिनल कैविटी भीतर पळेला एठी कोन हबो ना दिस डक्टस डिफरेंस along with blood vessel nerve that form the spermatic cord. It is important, another important point. Ductus deferens along with blood vessels, nerves, connective tissue form the spermatic cord. माने ये गोटे दौड़ी भाया आ सहित ब्लड वेसल भितर आसो खाद्य खाइब केमती अभी तो खाद्य दरकार नर्व कनेक्शन दरकार तेना ये गोटे दौड़ी भाया होता यहाँ हूँ मेन ता पाखे बाकी नर्व्स थो ब्लड वेसल थो सबुटा को मिसाई देले से ना स्पर्माटिक कॉर्ड है ता भितर मसल्स थी क्रिमस्टार मसल डाटस मसल्स जो मसल गुड़ाक कि तुम टेस्टिसटा को दरकार पड़े भितर नहीं जीव दरकार पड़े तौक आण टू मैनेज बैलेंस द टेम्परेचर ऑल दीज आर कॉल्ड द स्पर्माटिक कॉर्ड क्लियर तापरे inside the abdominal cavity inside the abdominal cavity it is joined with a duct from seminal vesicle to form a common ejaculatory duct। ये पॉइंटा बुझ टिके तामाने एठू भास डिफरेंसटा भितर को गला सेमिनाल वेसिकल गोटे डक्ट आसला दी जण मिसी गला परे जो डक्टा हबो सेटा हला इजाकुलेटरी डक्ट दैट डक्ट इज कॉल्ड ejaculatory duct।